Do you think losing strength with age is inevitable? That's a myth. Science has already proven that muscle strength can be restored, mobility can be maintained, and muscle regeneration can be activated at any stage of life. If you feel like your body's getting weaker, that climbing stairs or lifting weight isn't as easy as it used to be, the problem isn't age, it's the lack of the right stimulus, the good news. There's a science-backed routine to stop muscle loss and reverse the damage. No empty promises, no extreme methods, just the right exercises at the right intensity to rebuild your strength, improve your quality of life, and ensure an active, healthy longevity. And the best part, you can start right now. Ready to transform your body and your life? Then pay attention. The plank is one of the simplest and most effective exercises for anyone looking for active aging and a strong, functional body in everyday life. A strong core makes all the difference. It improves posture, while walking protects your spine. When carrying bags and even prevents discomfort from sitting for long periods, many people ignore the importance of this muscle until they start feeling back pain. The secret to maintaining a high quality of life lies in strengthening this foundation. If a small change in your routine can have such a big impact, why not start now? When you hold a plank, every muscle fiber in your ABS lower back and pelvis gets activated. Promoting muscle strength and balance, this exercise not only reduces chronic pain, but also improves overall stability, making daily activities easier. Starting slow is key to avoiding injuries and ensuring steady progress. If you're a beginner, a great option is the wall plank stand, facing a wall feet shoulder width apart, and rest your forearms at chest height. Keeping your body straight while engaging your abs and glutes, hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Once you feel more comfortable holding the position, progress to a sofa plank by resting your forearms on the seat, extending your legs back, and keeping your body aligned from head to toe. Perform 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. For those looking to optimize their practice, plank duration should gradually increase. Start with 15 seconds and add 5 seconds every 3 days. The traditional floor plank, with forearms of the ground and your body straight like a board, is a great way to level up your gains. Ideally aim for 3 to 4 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Want to take it even further? Try lifting one leg or one arm while holding the position. Small variations add a new challenge, accelerating muscle regeneration and boosting longevity. The key is consistency. Just a few seconds a day can make a huge difference over time. And as your body becomes more stable and resilient, you'll realize that this isn't just a workout. It's an investment in your health and well-being. The row is one of the most complete exercises for strengthening your back, shoulders, and arms, making it essential for mobility and quality of life in daily activities. Think about how often you pull something toward your body, a heavy door, a loaded grocery bag, or even when getting up from a chair. If your back muscles aren't strong enough, these tasks can become more difficult over time. By practicing row, your posture improves significantly, reducing the risk of pain and muscle imbalances. The sooner you start, the easier it will be to maintain an active, functional body for years to come. This exercise is great for building muscle strength as it activates the back and arm muscles, helping prevent muscle loss as you age. If you're a beginner, a good way to start is by using water bottles or bags of rice as weights. Simply hold one in each hand. Lean your torso slightly forward and pull the weights toward your abdomen, keeping your elbows close to your body. Performing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps is enough to stimulate your muscles and strengthen your overall structure. Over time, gradually increasing the load will boost muscle regeneration and improve postural control. As your strength improves, the natural progression is to use dumbbells or resistance bands to make the exercise more challenging. Beyond enhancing your health and well-being, rows also reduce the risk of falls and improve core stability, which is crucial for longevity. To intensify your workout, try a single arm row by supporting one hand on a bench while pulling the weight with the other, or use a barbell to activate more muscles. At once, the key is consistency and progression. Your body adapts to what you do repeatedly, and every rep is another step toward active and healthy aging. Push-ups are one of the most effective exercises for strengthening your chest, shoulders, and triceps, making everyday movements easier and safer. Think about how often you need to push something. opening a heavy door, getting up from the floor, or even supporting your body when lying down. If your upper body muscles are weak, these actions can become more challenging over time. Beyond building muscle strength, push-ups improve posture and directly contribute to a more active and independent aging process, ensuring better mobility and quality of life. This exercise can be adapted for any fitness level for beginners. The best way to start is with wall push-ups. Place your hands at chest height, shoulder width apart, and lean forward, bending your elbows until your face gets close to the wall. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting for 30 to 45 seconds. Between sets, the next step is progressing to incline push-ups by placing your hands on a lower surface, like a table or a couch, keeping your body aligned and your core engaged, gradually increasing. The difficulty is key to avoiding injuries in ensuring safe muscle regeneration. Here's an important point: training alone isn't enough. You need a well-structured plan to see real progress, especially for men over 40. This is where many people go wrong. They follow generic workouts that don't consider the specific needs of their age. That's why having a method that combines the right exercises with proper progression makes all the difference. If you've already mastered push-ups on elevated surfaces and feel ready for the next step, the best transition is modified push-ups, where your knees stay on the ground, reducing the load on your arms and giving you better control over the movement over time. As your strength improves, you'll naturally progress to traditional push-ups with your body fully extended and your feet on the floor. The key is to follow a safe progression, adjusting volume. As your body adapts, this gradual approach doesn't just build upper body strength, it also protects your joints, prevents unnecessary strain, and ensures long-term mobility, giving you a strong foundation for continuous progress. The glute bridge is a musto exercise for strengthening your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, promoting mobility, stability, and protection against back pain. In daily life, these muscles play a crucial role in posture, body support, and injury prevention, especially when lifting objects or sitting for long periods. When your glutes are weak, the lower back takes on extra strain, increasing the risk of discomfort and limitations. This exercise doesn't just improve your quality of life, it also reinforces the muscle structure needed to keep your body balanced and functional. For beginners, the glute bridge is simple to perform. Lie on your back, with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Engage your core and press your heels into the ground, lifting your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting for 30 to 45 seconds between sets. If you're comfortable with the movement, the next step is lifting your hips higher and holding at the top for a few seconds, maximizing muscle contraction and accelerating muscle regeneration. For a more advanced challenge, you can add weight by placing a dumbbell on your hips, or perform a single leg bridge, lifting one leg while holding the position. These variations take muscle strength to the next level, improving not just glute power, but also core stability for faster progress. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps, with 45 seconds to 1 minute of rest between sets. Incorporating the glute bridge into your routine builds a stronger, more balanced body, reducing pain and enhancing overall health and well-being, making every step more stable and every movement more efficient. The squat is one of the most essential exercises for mobility and quality of life, as it strengthens your legs and glutes, ensuring independence for everyday tasks like climbing stairs, getting up from a chair, or simply walking with confidence over time. A lack of leg strength can make these movements more challenging directly, affecting autonomy and safety in daily life. Incorporating squats into your routine not only improves functional strength, but also protects your joints and prevents falls, promoting an active and healthy aging process. This exercise can be adjusted for different fitness levels for beginners. The best way to start is with a chair. Assisted squat. Simply position your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and lower yourself slowly until you touch the seat. Then return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting for 30 to 45 seconds between sets for those with more strength. Progressing to a freestanding squat is the natural next step, allowing for greater muscle engagement and increased activation of stabilizing muscles. Keeping your weight in your heels and avoiding excessive forward knee movement is key for safe and effective execution for a bigger challenge. You can add resistance by holding dumbbells or using a resistance band. This variation not only increases muscle engagement, but also enhances muscle strength and muscle regeneration, accelerating gains and strength and stability to maximize benefits. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps with 45 seconds to 1 minute of rest. Between sets, the impact of this exercise goes far beyond aesthetics. A strong, resilient body means more energy to fully enjoy life, ensuring active longevity and a day-to-day experience free from limitations. Heel raises may seem simple, but they're incredibly powerful for strengthening your calves, improving balance, and boosting circulation. Key factors for mobility and quality of life. Many people overlook the importance of calf muscles, but they play a crucial role in walking, climbing stairs, and maintaining overall stability over time. Losing strength in this area can increase the risk of falls and make movement more difficult. Strengthening your calves builds confidence in daily activities and helps reduce leg fatigue for beginners. Seated heel raises are a great starting point. Simply lift and lower your heels while keeping your feet flat on the floor. This controlled movement activates the muscles and is ideal for those with limited leg strength. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, resting for 30 to 45 seconds between sets. As your strength improves, progress to standing heel raises while holding onto a wall or chair for balance. Rising onto your toes and lowering yourself slowly increases muscle activation and gradually builds muscle strength for a greater challenge. Try single leg heel raises or perform the exercise on a step to allow for a deeper range of motion. These variations enhance muscle activation and further stimulate muscle regeneration, leading to greater endurance and power in movement. At this stage, aim for 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps with 45 seconds to 1 minute of rest. Between sets, adding this exercise to your routine regularly will help maintain a strong, stable stride, promoting health and well-being while ensuring active longevity with no limitations. Keeping your heart strong and healthy is essential for a long, energetic life. Cardiovascular exercises are key to improving health and well-being, strengthening the heart and increasing lung capacity. They also boost physical endurance, making daily activities feel easier and more dynamic. Imagine climbing stairs without feeling exhausted or walking long distances effortlessly. These are just some of the direct rewards of a well-conditioned cardiovascular system. Plus, regular cardio helps reduce the risk of heart disease and improves circulation, giving you more energy for everything you do. Walking is one of the most accessible and effective ways to strengthen your heart and improve mobility for beginners, starting with 15 to 20 minutes a day and gradually increasing time and pace as the body adapts. As ideal dancing is another great option. Not only is it fun, but it also improves coordination and provides emotional benefits, helping to relieve stress. Those with a higher fitness level can incorporate running, which maximizes cardiovascular benefits and accelerates muscle regeneration, building endurance and strength. Ideally, aim for at least 3 sessions per week, adjusting intensity as you progress. But here's where many people go wrong. Simply moving without structure can lead to inconsistent results. The key is the right combination of exercises and progression to ensure every workout strengthens your body and increases longevity. A well-structured plan prevents frustration and speeds up results. Now that you have the only science-backed routine to stop muscle loss, the question is, what are you going to do with this information? Will you let time take away your strength, mobility, and quality of life? Or will you take action now to reclaim your body and vitality? The choice is yours. Small daily actions create big transformations, and consistency is what separates those who age with strength and independence from those who become prisoners of their limitations. So start today. Pick one of these EXC exercises, apply what you've learned, and feel the difference in your body. Then let me know in the comments which one was the most challenging for you. We want to hear about your experience because every step toward a stronger body is a step toward a fuller, more vibrant life. If this content resonated with you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Here, you'll always find real effective strategies to maintain your strength. Health and longevity don't put off becoming your best version. Your body can and should be stronger than you think.